Shout out to Mark from Seal King in the RVA area. He's one of my friends I've been talking to over the past couple of years. He's been interested in learning resin flooring. He does concrete sealing now. So I brought him in here yesterday, him and his family, his wife and his son, and we kind of went over quite a few systems and showed him some techniques. And I'm really focusing him on the NeoFLEX system because it's revolutionary in the coating industry. There's nothing else like it right now. We've got awesome things coming for it. It can be used as a media, broadcast media into it. You can also use it as a top coat. You can also add aluminum oxide into it. And we have different versions of it that'll cure in 12 hours, 3 hours. We're working on a 1 hour. So our 3 hour, you can do a 1 day flake system with it and get crazy stunning effects with still having an hour and a half working time. So this has been one of my things that I've always wanted to do, is kind of change the game in flake. So let me show you how it went down. We did this about 200 square foot here yesterday. You can see that the finish is a medium gloss. So it's not super glossy, but it's perfectly even. And the cool thing about this is we didn't even gauge this out or magic trowel it. I poured 3 strips across the floor and then rolled it across. Back rolled it once, wall to wall, and then the opposite way, wall to wall. And you'll get a perfect finish every single time because of that long working time. So when you put it down by itself with the 12-hour cure, you have 2 hours of working time, and then it'll dry to the touch. Within about 12 hours, 18 hours, you're able to walk on it. Depending on the humidity, also, makes it kick a little bit more. So I'm not gonna go into detail of what it actually is. You'll have to reach out to me or one of my people, Josh. You can reach out to Rico. You can reach out to Trey, and they'll tell you what it is. You can get a TDS and you can learn about it. They are not the same. It has 0 odor, 0 VOC. Dude, it's safe. Dude, this is gonna change the game. It's the wrap way. They are not the same. Later.